Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I'm pretty sure that I know exactly what's in here, but as per usual, we're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, let's go ahead and get into this box. There we go. Yeah. Who says I need to sharpen this? Oh my gosh, that's such a tired joke. Everybody wants me to retire this. No. No. Okay, so what do we have? Here we go. We have a note. Let's look at that real quick. Oh, perfect. There we go. This is the person who sent it. My Nightly EDC. So check them out on Instagram. It's because of people like this that I'm able to bring you guys daily knife content. So follow them. Very cool. Thank you very much for that. We have a long black box. Is there another note in here? Yeah, there is. I appreciate the, excuse me, Tactical Peanuts. I reuse those. Hi, MC. For our discussion, I'm sending you my Blade HQ exclusive blank, which I'll show you guys here in just a sec for you to review. I'm fine if you'd like to carry this knife and or disassemble it on video. Thank you. I appreciate that. I'm really enjoying your shows. Looking forward to your opinion on the knife. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to contact me. Thank you. Perfect. Perfect note. Okay. This is the first time I've ever handled this. I've been aware of this knife for years. This is the production version of it. Yeah, check that out. I'm pretty excited. Oh boy. Oh my gosh. That's awesome. Oh, yeah, that's cool. Okay, so listen, guys, obviously we have a design that is much more geared towards aesthetics than function. I mean, and yes, does it function? Well, yeah, sure. The thumb stud allows you to easily deploy it, right? It's plenty sharp. Oh yeah, plenty sharp, right? I love that they crown the spine. That's awesome. This is the Blade HQ exclusive Hellrazor P, and I believe it is available right now. What's the blade steel? S35VN, and we have some marble carbon fiber, countersunk, probably steel, maybe. Let's get a magnet. Hang on. Where's my magnet? There it is. Yeah, steel. Pocket clip appears to be titanium. But yeah, so this was the first time I ever saw the Hellrazor, the Red Horse Hellrazor, was on Jim Skelton's channel, and it was the custom or mid-tech or whatever you want to call that, right? And then this is the production version. I do not know who the OEM is. I don't know if it's them. I don't know if they use an overseas OEM. I have no idea. This is not a review. It's just an unboxing. This is the first time I've handled it, so I don't have all the information. I'll have it when I do the actual review here in you know, a few weeks. The action is very good. It's extremely fall shutty. Oh yeah, the action's very good. The thumb stud placement is excellent. For a knife that looks so... This is honestly what I expected with this thing. I expected it to be a clunky, cheap version of a knife that... Because I've handled a Red Horse knife from a long time ago. And it was all right. I really thought that this would be a clunky, cheap thing that, you know, demanded a high price because of the background, and that, you know, people would buy it because it looks all, you know, because it's called, you know, the Hellrazor. Let me make sure. Yeah, Hellrazor P series. I thought, you know, Hellrazor, and it's this cleavery looking thing, and it's, you know, people, this would just be drawn to purchase it, and it wouldn't necessarily have an air of quality about it, but it does. There's no detent lash. There's also no pivot lash, and it is locking up completely and totally solid. There's the lockup right there. Yeah, lockup geometry looks good. There is no lock stick. And how are we on centering? Perfect. Yeah, this is cool. Now, again, though, the design is one, I'm not going to even in the review, I'm not going to go, oh, you know, the blade profile and ergonomic design are ideal for this or that. I think you know what this is, right? It's a knife that you buy because you like how it looks, and as a bonus, it's made really well. That's my first impression of this. I do really like, you know, satin finishes, you guys have heard me say a million times, I'm sick of them. So I wish the finish was something different, but I love that they crown the spine, right? Do we need all these speed holes? Well, those are drainage holes. I saw an advertisement for a frost cutlery knife. You guys get the Smoky Mountain Knife Works magazines? If you have one of the more recent issues, go look at the ad for the frost cutlery fixed blade with the holes in it. They call them drainage holes. Drainage holes. Come on, man. It's just because it looks cool to some people. Thumb studs are nice. Jimping's in the right place. It is comfortable to hold. There's plenty of real estate here. This is a big knife. Let's measure it. Yeah, I'll link this down below, by the way. You should be able to pick this up. Wow, yeah, this is an 8.5-inch knife with a almost 3.75 inch blade. The cutting edge is about 3.3 inches though. So, you know, ratios are, you know, if you're big into ratios, then you won't like that. But plenty of access to the countersunk liner lock, which I love. And yeah, the carbon fiber definitely has some voids in it. That's kind of a bummer, but at the same time, this type of carbon fiber, it's just like, that's what you're going to get. You know, every time I have purchased a knife or handled a knife with this type of carbon fiber, I've seen voids. Some of them are larger, some of them are smaller. I would imagine the more money you spend, right? If you're spending $200 to $300 on a knife and you're getting shred or marble carbon fiber, it's gonna have voids in it. If it doesn't, you got lucky, right? Those are some big voids, definitely. I don't know that all of them are gonna look like that. But also, I'm wondering if maybe this was dropped. I don't know. They look like voids to me. How about this side? This side's all right. Yeah, there's a little one right there. Yeah. If those are those might be battle scars from dropping it. I don't really know. Maybe it's a void. I'm not really sure. But yeah, I mean, that's just, it's going to be the case, right? If you don't want to see that, I believe there are other versions of the Hellrazor P that are not using this material. So if you want to avoid that, then maybe pick one of those up. But yeah, this appears to be made really well, and it's nice and smooth. Some people are going to love this aesthetic. Some people are not. You know, if you want to wait for the review, you know, by all means do that. But there's not going to be any justifications for this as an optimal EDC tool over, you know, something that's got a more practical shape to it. It's just fun, right? I think the Hellrazor has always just been fun. You want to carry something that's thematic, right? And also cuts. Then there you go, right? I'm impressed with the quality. You know, I just didn't expect it to be nice, but it is. Very cool. So once again, thank you very much to the gentleman who sent this in. Make sure you give him a follow on Instagram. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it today. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.